Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to explain about the operator overloading. So this operator overloading is a technique which we use to achieve the polymorphism. So we have used method overloading, method overriding. So this operator overloading is also the one of the technique which we use in the polymorphism. So let's understand what is operator overloading. So before understanding about this, so first what is operator? So I have made a video on the operators in my starting videos. Yes, so now we have so many types of operators like arithmetic operator, bitwise, logical, relational. So we have so many operators. Yes or no? So what is the operator generally? So what is operator generally? So we have so many types of operators like let's consider the plus, yeah, minus, multiplication, yes or no, and division. We have division also. So like this, we have so many types of operators. Yes or no? We'll be using so many types of operators. So these are nothing but the operators. Okay. Now what is overloading? So in general, not in Python, in general, what is overloading? In basic English, what is overloading? So I will explain you this overloading with some real-time example. Let's consider the lift. So I think everyone will be using the lift into day-to-day life. So consider this is the lift. So the capacity of this lift is only like 5 members. So in this lift, only 5 members are capable. Means more than 5 members means the lift will overloaded. We'll say no, yes or no. So if the lift have the capacity to weight like five members only, it can store only 5 members weight only. So other if extra member like sixth member will come and stand in the lift will go slowly. Why the lift will go slowly if the sixth person also entered into the lift? Why? Because the lift is overloaded. It is beyond its limit, it beyond its capability. Yes or no? If it is beyond its capability, it goes slowly. Okay, if 5 members are there, it goes at the normal speed. If extra one member added, then it is overloaded. So it cannot store that much weight. So the speed of that weight will be slow down. Yes or no? So this can happen in our day-to-day life. Yes or no? Everyone will be experience this example. Yes or no? So that I have taken this example so that you can relate to easily. So this is nothing but the overload. So the lift will be overloaded if extra person will add it. Okay. So this considered as overloading. So the capacity of this lift is 5 member. If extra member comes, it will be overloaded. So it's beyond the capability. So the lift will be overloaded. So so this is about the overloading. So what is the operator overloading? When the operator will be overloaded? Understood? When the operator will be overloaded. So that one we have to understand. So, okay, I will explain you with the practical example so that you can understand this operator overloading more clearly. So let's take the example of print 2 plus 3. Let's consider. So what will be the output? Simply we'll get the output as 5 because 2 plus 3 which is 5. So inbuilt it will assume that okay, plus means we have to add the two numbers. We have to add the two numbers, so it will be showing as 5. Okay. Okay. So okay, done. Next let's consider one more example like print double quotes 2 and plus double quotes 3. So what I have done here? So here I have taken the 2 and 3 in the form of a string. Why? Because it is there in the double quotes. Here it is in the form of a integer. So in this condition we got normally 2 plus 3 which is 5. But here what will be the output? So it is in the form of a string, not in the form of integer. If it is integer, normal number means it will be adding. But here it is in the form of a string. So if it is in the form of a string, what will be the output? The string cannot be added. No, it is in the form of a string. String cannot be added. So if 2 string and 3 string, combination of 2, the concatenation of 2 and 3 means 2 3 will be coming. Yeah, see the output. Yeah, 2 3. So why we are not getting 5 here? Why? Because 2 is a string and 3 is also the string. So 2 and 3 is concatenated. The two strings are concatenated. If you use the plus symbol between the two strings will be concatenated into 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay, if the integers if we use the place, it is nothing but addition. Okay, now let's try in this way the combination of integer and the string. So let's say like hi should print 5 times. Okay, let's try what will be the output. Yes, hi is going to print 5 times. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what have used here? So hi, which is in the form of string format, and we are multiplying the hi into 5 times. This 5 is in the form of integer. So we can use the string format and the integer format also. So this is, I think you know about this thing. So it's a basic thing which you all know. Okay, you all know what is the special method, or the we can say magic method, which I explained you. Don't you remember? Which is init method. Init method is a special method, which I said. Init is a special method. So the other name of that init method is nothing but double underscore method, or magic method, or the special method, or dender method. Okay, it will be in this format. See, double underscore, sorry, this is a hyphen, no? Yeah, double underscore init, double underscore, double underscore. So double underscore init, double underscore. So this method is a special method which will be using, or we can say dunded method. Yes or no? So we'll be using this. Similarly, not only init, we have so many dunder methods, like we can have add also. Yeah, even we have the sum also. Okay, so in this ways we have some methods, some special methods we have. So okay, let's use this dunded methods or the special methods. Let it be this 2 plus 3. Yeah, now let's try to print. Look at here very carefully. This 2 and 3 are in the form of an integer. It is an integer format, numbers. So we have to keep the int dot and the special method, which is add. Okay, next we have to use the two things which the before the comma the self will be there, after the comma other will be there. So now let's consider the numbers are 2 and the 3. So this is the representation of dendered methods, or the special methods of add. So this is the special method of add. So we have to use the data type, which is int dot the thing, the special method which we want to apply, and then arguments which we want to think, which we have to pass. So if you want to display the output, we have to simply say print. So it will going to print this thing. Let's see. Yeah, we are getting 5 5. So if we use like 2 plus 3 also, we are getting 5. Or if we use this special method which is add, also we are getting 5. Means we can use in this way, or we can use the special method in this way also. So we will not get any type of an error. Not only the integer, you can even take the string type or float or anything. Okay, let's try with the string also, so that you can understand the difference between the int and string. So to convert the string, to convert the integer into the string format, we have to use the double quotes. Okay, it is this way. Yeah. So now we have to take, it is in the string format, so we have to take str simply. Okay. Now let's see. So we are getting the error. Why we are getting the error? Yes, why we are getting the error? So this 2 and 3 are in the form of integer. So we are using here string. So we have to convert this also into integer format. Okay, you have to understand the error also. It's very important. If you not understand the error you cannot solve. Okay. Yeah. Now let's see. Yes, we are getting 2 3. In this way also we can use, or in this way also we can use. So we are getting same output. So these are nothing but the some special methods which we'll be using in the Python. Now let's understand with this knowledge how the method overloading will be performing. Okay. Okay, let's remove this thing. Okay, now let's consider the class as a student. Okay, I want the marks of the student, which is marks, max marks, and the social marks. Let's consider. Let's take the class name as a student, and let's take the function name which is def, and let's consider the this special method only which is init. Okay, and let's take the self and max, or let's take m comma s. Okay, simply now we have to use the self dot which is max equals to m, and and self dot which is s means social marks equals to s. Okay, now let's try to call the function which is object creation, which is let's consider the student one which is s1 equals to, which is a, we have to call the student which is a class name, and let's consider one more object creation. Let's create the one more object with the student 2. So here we have created the object creation for the same class. The two object creations we have used means s1 equals to student and s2 equals to student, and here we have to use the parameters now which is a max marks and the social marks. So let's consider the max marks of the first student is 90 and the social marks are 60, and similarly here let's consider the 55 and 8. Okay, so these are the marks of the two students of max and the social. Let's consider now, if we want to specify the marks of the particular student, so we can access in this way like s1 dot. Okay, if you want max marks we can specify, or if you want only the social marks we can specify. Okay, if you want the student one's max marks also we can specify, or if you want student two's marks max marks also we can specify. Yes or no? In this way we can specify the particular marks of the particular student. Okay, now in this way we can try. Yes, we know, but if you want the concatenation of the both the students, means both the students max marks and both the students social marks. So in this way, if you want in this way, we'll get output. See what have wrote s1 plus s2 means the concatenation of both max marks and concatenation of both the social marks of the both the students, combination of the both the students marks. So let's try what will be the output. So see, we are getting the error. What error we are getting? Type error. So unsupported operator type for plus. So this plus, so what is happening here in the background? This plus is overloading. This plus is overloading in backend. What is happening here in backend? So this plus is overloading on the student 1 and the student 2. Yes or no? In the student 1 and the student 2, the plus is overloading. So if we print simply in this way, like print like 1 plus 2, let's consider this 1 plus 2 simple thing. So if you say print 1 plus 2, what will be the output? 3. It will be showing the output as 3 without throwing any type of an error. It will be printing the 3 as an output. What is happening background? Directly if we say print 1 plus 2, how the output is showing directly 3, means in the background the add method is calling. In the background add method is calling, so that add method, the 1 plus 2 means add addition of the two numbers is happening in the background, so that we are getting the display 3. Okay, in the background this add special method which is there, that is happening, so that we are getting the 3. Okay, why we are getting the 3? In the background the add, the special method which is add is there, that is called, so that we are getting the 3 as an output here. Now, so yes, this 1 and 2 are the integers, so that the add method is happening in the background and we are getting the 3. Done. But here this s1 and the s2 are the object creations of this class. So why we are not getting the output? So why we cannot concatenate this thing? Why here the add method is not performing? So for this we have to use this the special method which is add. So here def and two underscores, add two underscores. Not only add, we have so many special methods like subtract, multiply also. You can work with that. Next, yeah, this add and we have to use, I said two parameters will be having the self comma other. These two are the parameters which we can use in this special methods, which is add. And in this what we can write, let's see. So we want the max marks combination of the two students and the social marks combination of the two students. Okay, we have self and the other are the parameters. So let's consider self dot what max marks combination. Yes, max. And with the with this we want the social marks combination also. So self only, self dot and social. Okay, now you understood. So we want max marks combination with the social marks combination. So self dot max means here this is the self part and this is the other part. So self part max and the self part social. So this is the combination. And we have one more parameter with this, which is other. So with the other also we have to use no. So other dot max plus similarly other dot social. So by using this we'll get the combination of the both max marks and the social marks. So here we can use the written statement. So to written this thing, so we can use this written. So to written this statements here, let's use the if condition so that you can understand the clear scenario what is happening. And this is the if condition we have to use. And yeah, now in this way we can use yes or no. So here what we have used here, simply we have used, yeah, here we have used the if condition, which is if string. This is the if string, yes or no. So this is the if string or not, yes, if string. So we have used self dot max and self dot social combination and other dot max and other dot social. Okay, here simply you have to concatenate this thing and this thing with the plus sign. So then you will get 150, which is max marks total, and 135, which is the social marks total. Okay, or you can use in this way also, max is equals to and social equals to, so that you can get the combination of the both the students marks and the social marks. So here what is happening, so in the before condition when we use this print s1 plus s2 we are getting the error. Now by using this add, which is underscored double underscored method, when we use we are not getting any type of error, we are getting the result as it is. So what is happening here in s1 plus s2, in this operator the overloading is happening. So we are explicitly keeping the load on this operator, yes or no. So here we are explicitly making our own situation here. So we are only the user only making this thing, yes or no. So we are explicitly making means if in the left we have only the capacity of the members are 5, we are explicitly entering the sixth person also to enter into the left, means we are explicitly writing the code here, means we are explicitly keeping the load on the here the plus sign to add both the students max marks and the social marks, means we are in this operator, in the plus operator we are keeping the load. So what is happening here, operator overloading is happening. So in this way we can use this. I think you understood about this operator overloading with this example. Still if you have any doubts please mention in the comment section. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Let's meet in next video.